Hello everyone, it's HP Dlamini again with Public Law N6. We're doing Administrative Relationships Module 10. The reference is Public Law Textbook A. Kruger. You are also requested to have yours next to you. A legal relationship is formed between two legal subjects. That is, the agreement is legally enforceable if the contracting parties may be deemed by the court to have intended it. For example, a relationship between the male and a female. But before that, in terms of the law of contract, the first requirement is that the parties must have an intention to make a contract before anything, right? Then the example I'm giving you here is that of a male and a female, which becomes legal if they get married. Even that engagement of yours is also valid because should your fiancé breach the contract, you may claim him or her in the court of law for breaching the promise. Right? Types of legal relationships. There are two types of legal relationships. The first one is the private law relationship. That is the legal person or individuals who are involved in a legal relationship, for example, buying a house and signing a contract. It's a relationship between two persons or a person and a company. Another one is an administrative law relationship. One subject must be invested with government authority in this one. The government body must be invested with government authority. For example, when the state buys land from a private individual, right? That one is clear. The object now, let's talk about the object in an administrative law relationship. Is the purpose or issue of the administrative law relationship. For example, if a government buys land from a farmer, the land is the object. Subject in an administrative law relationship. What is a subject in a public law relationship? Subject is the individual or organization or government that enters into a legal relationship with other legal subjects. So there are two types of subjects that can be found in an administrative law relationship. It's a private subject and an administrative subject. What is a private subject? Private subject is any person or a private company or a business, right? And administrative subject is a government body or institution which enters into a legal relationship. So how do we determine whether an administrative body is a government organ? There are two tests which must be performed. The first one is the formal test, and the following questions must be asked. What is the nature of activities of the organ? 2. Does it provide services to the public? 3. Is the organization a bearer of government authority? 4. Is there a higher authority that influences the behavior of the law organ? For example, a traffic department is a government organization, but is a subordinate to the city council. Right? Then there's material test too. And in the material test, the following questions must be asked. What is the nature of the activities of the organ? Does it provide services to the public? Is the organization a bearer of government authority? If all tests are passed, but this one fails, it is not a government body. It is not a government body. So our module 10 ends here. And I urge you to study it with your notes so that you won't have a problem. It's a very short module, but please do study it, especially the tests. They like the tests in the exams. Thank you. Stay safe.